Right, Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Pepe update. And we are pumping, we're near to the technical target. You can see that that's your technical target right there. So so far so good. And this stop loss has already been taken away. A lot of people had their stop losses right there because it did look like it was bearish to go down. But I've been telling you for a long time, that Pepe is oversold. Okay, it's really oversold, and whenever you did go for that oversold department, you ended up pumping up. Okay, so you are looking for that oversold department, another push to the upside right there. So for some reason we are breaking this trend line as well, so I'm going to take that to that, and you may see a little bit of a break happening right there. So you have one resistance move down, one resistance move down. And yesterday and for the past 2-3 days, I've been talking about how Bitcoin is good on the month of October, and we may see Pepe actually pumping in October as well. So you can see this is finally the drop. You can see we are breaking above that resistance at the moment. So we may even look at a little bit of a push down here and then pump back up straight away. But this is your technical target nonetheless. But one more thing to keep in mind: yes, you have broken above this one right here. So listen carefully. You've already broken this. What about the fact that you have this support, that support, this here, and we still need to break above here as well? So this is not enough. This is also important because you are failing to cross that. So one thing is done. This one is done. So I'm going to remove that. This, however, the demand box, which is now turning into a supply zone, has not been broken just yet, and that's where the problem really lies. Now, as I've said before, spoken before, we still need to push above the demand box and try to move to the upside. Now, let's say you do get successful, right? You may get successful and you cross above here, and Bitcoin looks good in October. I don't have negative comments for October though. So you have this left shoulder, you have this head here, you come up here like this, you move sideways, and you print the right shoulder, inverse head and shoulders, and you may break above, and you're looking for another big opportunity for trading. And we may see this, I'm just trying to tell you the future if we do end up having an inverse head and shoulders. So we're moving from there to there, and you may be looking at Pepe coming up here to 11,000, and you're sitting at 82, 85. I may actually be able to place a trade as well, so that's almost like a move up of nearly 34%. Pretty huge. Now, question is, can it actually happen? If you ask me, my personal opinion is probably this may happen because, again, it's really oversold right now. Really down. Look at that. This is a whole blood. So yeah, I can expect this much pump. It's very realistic. It's not that it's not possible, but the thing is, again, we must be breaking above here. When you break above there, that's it. That's your ticket right over here, and that's where you have another very big resistance. One resistance, second resistance, pump back up here, you have another third resistance, and maybe hit your head, go down. But again, step by step, break above here, go up here, break above there, go up there. So that's it for this Pepe update. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.